everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 27 of our awesome challenge, 28 days to splits. So, are you ready for your 5 minutes of morning stretch? Let's do this. Starting in forward fold position. So, we're gonna wide open our legs. And from here, we're gonna simply fold forward. Here's your daily affirmation. I choose to stop apologizing for being me. 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 Keep breathing. I choose to stop apologizing for being me. Okay, moving to the froggy stretch. Okay, and now we're gonna simply slide and breathe and hold there. Remember, keep your hips in line with your knees. Stay here, stay with me, we're almost done. And really gently, really slowly come up. Okay. And now we're gonna do the real deal, the real straddle splits. So we're gonna start here with wide open legs. Make sure your legs are in line. And we're gonna start coming down, 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 down. Use your hands to support yourself and come down into the straddle. Okay, toes up to the ceiling. Breathe. If you need, use your hands to support yourself, to lift yourself a little bit up. If this is too much pressure, breathe. And that was it for today. Day 27 in the books. Thank you so much. Tomorrow is our last day. Here's your daily self-love assignment. Start and finish your day with 5 minutes of breathing. Thank you so much for joining me. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for our last day of this awesome journey.